In this video, I'll show you how to install the oversized fender flares on a Can-Am X3. These are factory Can-Am products. So what we were doing is we're just pre-drilling a small hole, so when you're lining it up, it's a lot easier to get into the hole instead of missing it. And Can-Am has these marked spots to basically, that's where these parts screw onto. The other side we didn't do it like this, we just kind of lined it up and drilled them once, or screwed them in once right away. But I think this will be a little bit easier and safer. We're using a impact gun, so you just got to be really careful not to over tighten it because you will strip the plastic. And you do have to take the screw out. And I'll just line it up. And then see how the pre-drilled holes help out a lot installing it like this. And we're using a T27 Torx, and these are all factory bolts, so it's nice, everything's original. And you gotta put that original bolt back in this place. Alright, so we have the front done now. They look really nice. Match the Can-Am like they were supposed to be here. Alright, so I'll show you how the rear looks like. We're still debating on using the rear or if we're gonna put it on or not, but that's how much difference it makes. So that's it right there with both pieces on. Alright, you guys can take it off. And that's without it. For now, we just put on the front ones. Just the rears, we will think about those. The reason why we're not putting on the rears is We're just worried that if we're gonna rip them off on trails, and that's one of the reasons, because they do stick out quite a bit. Just worried about having issues with it.